Witnesses, did you have any witnesses?
Well, it was my stepfather, but he had emergency back surgery yesterday.
Okay,
So he couldn't come. He's a ex-police officer.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, so what was he going to say?
He was basically going,
Say, give you probation, right?
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
All right. All right, Jarrett Wade.
Present, Your Honor.
Hello.
how you doing?
I'm doing okay. How are you doing?
May I ask who our colleague is that passed away?
Jocelyn Andrews.
An attorney?
Yeah. She was an attorney and a nurse.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, everyone, please whisper and remember my previous rules. Do not approach until you've spoken with your client and conferred with the state. Court is calling 2025 CR 004949, 2025 CR 004950, State versus Jarrett Michael Wade. Can I have parties announced?
Duffy Whitlock for the state of Texas, Your Honor.
J.C. Law for the defense.
And are you Mr. Wade?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you entered a plea of no contest on June 26th. This defense waived PSI, and this was to give the defense a chance to bring witnesses if the defense wanted to bring witnesses. Did you have any witnesses?
Well, it was my stepfather, but he had emergency back surgery yesterday.
Okay,
So he couldn't come. He's a ex-police officer.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, so what was he going to say?
He was basically going,
Say, give you probation, right?
Good character
Yes,
and
ma'am.
hard worker.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
And Gerard Willie.
All right, are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
UPS driver, part-time,
And how long you been doing that?
4 years.
You're not one of the people who throws packages over the.
He gently brings it to your
In a
door.
box, or I place them right there and get you going.
All right, do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
What are their ages?
12 years old.
All right, and do they stay with you? Do you have, all right,
He's married. He's been married for 15 years.
We've been together for 15 years.
see, together for 15,
We're
married for 7. All right,
He's okay.
so here's the true question. When's your anniversary?
November 3rd.
Ah, I
Good
like
man.
that. Usually people don't remember their anniversary date. Well, the state is opposed to your application for deferred adjudication, but they're recommending, let me see,
Probation.
they're recommending community supervision. So state, do you have any objection to the court giving him deferred adjudication?
No, Your Honor, the state.
All right. So here's the thing about deferred adjudication. The offenses that you have, they're third-degree felonies. The agreement that you reached with the state was if you were ever revoked, the maximum I would be able to sentence you to is 10 years. With deferred adjudication, the maximum I'll be able to sentence you to 10 years is if you violate the terms of your probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
The thing about deferred adjudications don't show up as a conviction on your record, but they will still show up on your record. Do you understand? All right. And UPS, are they making you do drug tests?
No, ma'am. We don't, they deal with felonies with charges.
Okay.
Wishy-washy.
All right. So here's the thing. While you're on probation, you have to do drug tests. So you can either do drug tests where you actually go into the office, or either they can give you a patch. The thing about patches, it helps you with your time constraints. And I'm sorry, state, you may be excused. It helps you with the time constraints, but the patch costs more. Ms. Abrams, how much is a patch? A drug patch?
It's $50 every 2 weeks, Judge.
Every 2 weeks?
Yes, Judge.
Or you can do the UA. The UA will be once a month.
I'll take the UA.
All right.
Judge, also keep in mind, we have that watch.
Ah, so they also have the watch. And how much is the watch? The watch is something new. It looks like a watch. You put it on and it's supposed to be less expensive.
I'm fine with the UAs.
Judge, I believe
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
$5 a day.
Oh.
Okay, that $5 a day adds up.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, especially with the 12-year-old, right?
What, 10 years?
All right, and cause number 2025 CR 004950.
49.
Oh, you have two. Yes. All right, this is what the court is going to do. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. There's to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting classes. Once those are completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is to run concurrent with 2025 CR 004949. There's to be restitution, if any, to Stephen, that's with the V, Enriquez, the defensive driving course, no contact with Stephen Enriquez. Field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else with regards to that cause number?
Your Honor, could I ask the court to reconsider the driving course? I don't know how that applies, and he is a driver with UPS.
Well, because he has an evading arrest. So that's why.
You understand?
And it'll help him.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. All right, and cause number 2025 CR 004949. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years deferred adjudication. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order parenting. Once that's completed, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. This is the run concurrently with 2025 CR 004950. Again, restitution, if any, to Stephen Enriquez, the defensive driving course, field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes,
I need a 30-day reset for a restitution hearing.
yes.
Do you need my presence for that?
Yes.
Judge, if you do August 12th,
All right, August 12th. Council and Mr. Wade, you can appear by Zoom. And let me see if I can find your trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Is there anything else that you need from the court to be successful in this probation?
No, Your Honor.
No.
Can you
Wait, are you gonna do his probation for?
I thought I would. Isn't that part of my duties?
Yeah,
Could
could be.
Okay.
All right, so Mr. Wade, do you need anything else to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Sure.
In this court, in order to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, you need to let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can come back to the court. We're off the record, if you're able to successfully complete everything, your attorney can talk to you about early termination.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, just have a seat. Probation is going to go over conditions with you.
I was gonna ask you, do we do probation talk now before
Yes.
the restitution? But you want me here
Yeah, or you can appear by Zoom.
by Zoom? Okay, and I'll get a notice with the Zoom numbers?
Oh, yes, and she's going to give him the reset form as well.
Okay.
Court is calling 2025 CR 0035001 State versus Advegan Leal. Could I have parties announced?
Spearhead from the state, Your Honor.
David Andre Wood for Mr. Leal.
Are you Mr. Leal?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
I have, Judge.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Leal, did you review the application for community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Are you proceeding on the
Yes,
state?
Your Honor.
Thank you.
Sorry.
No problem. Mr. Leal, did you review the waivers and admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're charged with driving while intoxicated third or more? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses. The state would call in the right to remain silent. By entering into this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights. Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, was your client able to provide you with any defenses?
He was, Judge.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is, Judge.
Mr. Leal, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 years in the prison. There's a $2,000 fine. State recommends community supervision and ignition interlock. Is that ignition interlock for full term?
I put it on there, Judge. Usually I recommend. So I kind of want to.
All right. They're recommending for half the term. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense is at the plea.
It is, Judge.
State is at the plea.
Yes, it is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that the community supervision be for a term of 7 years. There be 10 days in the Bear County Jail as a condition, 200 hours of community service restitution, and 2-year driver's license suspension. Did you understand that was recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes,
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit is involved with that.
No objections, Judge.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We're just asking the court to follow the recommendation, Judge.
All right. Are you currently employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm a quality engineering supervisor.
All right, this is what the court is going to do. There's going to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs, proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors, ignition interlock for half the term, 8 years, 10 years in prison, suspended and probated for 8 years. There's 200 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order 90 sober meetings in 90 days. There's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody, a referral to felony drug court, DWI education course, VIP live, 2-year license suspension. All right, with regards to the Bexar County Jail, you can either do 10 days in the Bexar County Jail or 30 days on GPS. It will be partial for employment only.
30 days GPS, fine.
All right, there's to be 30 days GPS, partial for employment in lieu of 10 days Bexar County Jail. For the record, the reason why the court is doing that, I don't want you to lose your employment, and also because there are health issues and overcrowding at the jail. There's to be a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. Probation, is there anything else? Thank you. Field visits 1 time per month for 6 months.
And Judge, at each gift, what day do you want it installed?
What's the soonest it can be installed?
I believe he currently has it in his vehicle, Judge.
A week, Judge?
No, the GPS.
Oh, GPS, I thought you said.
Within a week? What date do you want probation?
The 17th, Judge?
All right, the GPS is to be installed within, by July 17th at 5 p.m. If that GPS is not installed, that's a violation of your conditions of probation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You're one of those people who can't drink alcohol. I have yet, in defense, I don't think you've ever had a client who said, my intention was to become intoxicated, hit somebody, pick up a DWI, or kill somebody. But that happens every day. And when you're out there driving, do you have children?
I have one daughter, Your Honor.
What is her age?
22 years old.
22? All right, so here's the thing. How would you like it if your daughter is out there driving, minding her business, not intoxicated, and you or someone like you comes along and ends up hitting her because you're drinking and driving?
Yes, Your Honor. I understand. It's terrible.
Yeah, so you cannot drink at all. And when you're on probation, you're not allowed to drink alcohol. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
And that GPS, you're only allowed to go to work, nowhere else. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
So if you're driving home and you're like, oh, let me stop at the HEB, it's on the way, that's a violation. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, probation will go over conditions with you. Good luck.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.